Hello, good afternoon. Shaiful, yeah. Don't you have any other subject in this time? Shaiful? There is no schedule?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any other subject? Emang,
Nothing, ma'am.
okay. Just go on. Hello, Radit, good afternoon. Hai Kale. Halo, good afternoon Samudra.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, so I'm good also. Okay, so I hope that everybody is coming here. Hello. I'm sorry because my connection is unstable. So should we wait for the others or can we just start our class for this afternoon? Well, before I start, I would like to send the background. Please use for your virtual background for our class. So I've sent it through the chat. You can just apply in your computer. And I would like to start. Can we start, Kale?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, boleh. Backgroundnya diganti dulu biar seragam semuanya. Oke, very good. So, Samudra. Yang lainnya Radit, Syaiful, Arisma, dan Husni mungkin bisa. Nah, Afrian mungkin you can try to have a plain background. Atau mungkin kamu agak laptopnya agak maju atau mundur gitu. Very good, Saiful. Halo Rizky.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon. And let's join our class.
Yeah, ma'am.
And yeah, so most of us already here in the class, and now I would like to ask for Syaiful Rahman. Please lead the pray for today's meeting. The screen and time is yours, Syaiful.
Before we started the class, let's pray.
The pray begins. Belum,
Pray.
sudah. Udah
Sudah,
selesai.
Mem.
Oh, sudah.
Ulang lagi, Mem.
Ya, boleh. The pray begins. Begitu ya, Saiful.
Before we start the class, we pray begin. Pray over.
Well, thank you very much, Syaiful. And now I would like to checklist your attendance in your e-learning account. So this one. Let me share my screen. So this one is attendance, and I would like to start the class for Tuesday. It should be started at 7 until 9 p.m. But because you have earlier spare time, so we would like to start the class at 4 p.m. So I would like to call for Afrian Ardiansyah.
Yes,
How are
ma'am.
you
I'm
today?
present.
How are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Good. Well, what about you, Hasanuddin? Is you already joined with my class?
Izin Bu.
Boleh? Ya, nggak apa-apa. Menggunakan device yang sama dengan Harisma dan Husni is okay. So I let you to have the same device. Hasan yang di sebelah mana ya? Hasan dengan Harisma dan Husni kah?
Ya Bu.
Boleh.
Izin Bu. Data saya sedang trouble Bu.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. So please rename this device with Harisma and Husni and also Hasanuddin. Terus belakangnya trio vokal apa gitu ya? Enggak. Boleh ambil tempat duduk yang nyaman, Hasanuddin? Di sebelahnya Harisma ataupun di tengah, nggak apa-apa. Ya. And make sure the three of you appear on the screen. Yes, very good. And Husni already joined. How are you, Husni?
I'm fine.
How's life today, Husni?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Harisma?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then Muhammad Adi Sutanto. Where is Adi?
Yes, ma'am.
Mana nih? Tidak ada gambarnya.
Izin, Mem. Ini lagi
Sama Rizky ya?
proses.
Oh, sudah ada Adi. Oke. And then already joined with me also Raditya Nur. Halo Radit.
Hello, ma'am. Good
How are you
afternoon.
doing?
Yes, I am.
Good. Ya, Rizky Syahrul Alfian. Halo Alfian.
Hello, ma'am.
Ya, and then Samudra juga sudah join, and the last one is Saiful Rahman as well. Now, another things that before we start, I would like to continue our material again about the job interview. But before that, I would like to ask you about what do you feel after you have internship program interview sessions? Please share your feelings. Please share your ideas, or maybe do you have any questions about what to do during the internship programs? Anyone who want to ask? Adakah yang mau ditanyakan dulu? Ya udah share your feelings aja deh. Saya mau lihat di sini dari nilai-nilainya nih. Sebenarnya saya sudah mempunyai. I have already scored the result of your interview sessions, but maybe this grade remains private. But I would like to ask about your feelings, Alfian. Where is Alfian? Alfian, please share your feelings during our previous interview programs.
Like
ma'am.
feeling good.
Jangan, boleh pakai lagu nggak apa-apa.
Sam, itu kurang lebih.
Absen, Jo. Siap, ma'am. Pakai bahasa Indonesia atau bahasa Inggris, ma'am?
Of course, Inggris kan judulnya ada interview
Oh,
pakai bahasa
yes, ma'am.
Inggris.
My feeling about last week, very enjoy, ma'am.
Enjoy.
Yeah,
Mhm.
and then enjoy, ma'am. Enough, ma'am.
Enjoy. But sometimes you have difficulty in expressing some words atau some ideas. Sometimes you miss to say word, to say A, and then comes to your mouth become B. Kenapa bisa difficult in that?
Because karena ini, ma'am, tidak tahu bahasa Inggrisnya, ma'am.
Okay,
Because I don't
so
know that translate, ma'am.
so comes the questions. Comes a questions after Alfian answer the question. How we overcome the forgot during our interview sessions. Anyone who want to answer? How we accommodate if we in the middle of interview and then we lost our mind and we don't know how to say. Itu kira-kira encounter-nya seperti apa? Boleh dijawab selain Alfian?
Yes, ma'am. We need to keep calm.
Yes, Kale. Kalau menurut Kale, we need to keep calm. Because of
And
kenapa Kale? Kenapa kok harus keep calm during interview session?
because when we are calm, we can thinking about what we gonna say with clear.
Yeah, very good. If you are in a good mood, if you can think focusedly, and then you can easily remind or recall word, especially in English, because we have different areas when we save our mother tongue language and our foreign language or second language. Yeah, so English as our second language. Yeah, is restored in different areas with mother language. Jadi jika kamu punya imagine if you have some shelves ya, tahu ya shelves ya, rak buku itu kan pasti kalian organize your books kalau menurut kalau pernah kalian ke bookstore, pernah ke toko buku, itu kan pasti menempatkan bukunya sesuai dengan apa? Sesuai dengan kategorinya, ya sesuai dengan ada yang
Kategori, ma'am.
kategori fiksi, ada yang non fiksi, ya kemudian ada yang komik dan sebagainya atau ensiklopedia. Nah, sama juga dengan otak. Kamu tuh menyimpan bahasanya, bahasa ibu, bahasa daerah itu dengan bahasa kedua itu berbeda-beda ya. Maka ketika kita dalam keadaan tenang, calm, we can recall the word easily. Ataupun misalnya kita dapat konsentrasi yang lebih. Jadi yang pertama, tapi kan tidak bisa dipungkiri pasti akan nervous ya kali ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Nah, how to overcome the nervousness. Nah, kemarin sudah kita bahas nih, gimana nih, misalnya kalian benar-benar nggak bisa mengakomodir, pasti rasanya selalu akan gugup di awal interview, itu adalah natural ya, alamiah. How we fix that situations? Anyone who want to answer or share your experience? Kan kalau pada saat penerimaan apply pertama kali di PIP kan juga kalian interview kan?
Yes, ma'am. I have, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So, can you please share your experience when you
Yes,
first
ma'am.
have
At
interview?
first, I am Hasanuddin, ma'am.
Yes, Hasanuddin.
I have to experience about the overcome to my nervous, then apply interview.
Mhm.
So the first, I believe, I always pray first, and then I believe to my knowledge, man.
Mhm.
And so we must believe of ourselves.
Mhm.
Enoughness.
Okay. So, Hasanuddin first, pertama we should reverse ataupun come to our religious activity ya. Doa, baca-baca dan sebagainya untuk mengusir rasa gugup tersebut ya. Pokoknya Hasanuddin itu semuanya kembali ke agama. Semua masalah, semua derita, semuanya pokok dipasrahkan sama Tuhan Yang Maha Esa tuh semuanya hilang gitu ya Hasanuddin ya.
Yes, miss.
Nah, baru kemudian masuklah kita
Correct.
di tempatnya seperti itu. Jadi kita berdoa, kita tahu keadaan kita, baru kemudian kita pasrahkan. Nah, kemudian ini I would like this to share. Ini aja deh. Ya. Nah, so as you can see in your handout, so this one is the experience of your senior during your interview programs. Ya, di sini ada kakak kelas kalian, kakak tingkat kalian yang menceritakan bagaimana nanti pada saat internship program interview. Nah, di sini nanti dijelaskan, nanti kita baca bersama-sama. So you should read one of the nautical cadets experience. Nih, kakak kelas kalian nih, nautic. When having an interview for his onboard training, ya, pralanya, praktek laut. So what do you think about his experience? Nanti coba nanti kalian perhatikan yang dialami. And what difficulties did he face during the interview? Nah, sebelum kita baca nih pengalamannya kemarin, what is the most difficulty you face during interview? Pasti jawaban anak-anak semua sama. Apa itu difficulty-nya?
Nervous, ma'am.
Selain nervous, karena kita online, so
Connection, ma'am.
the big difficulty is the connections ya. Pasti the connection is unstable. Jadi itu betul-betul mempengaruhi. Misalnya, I ask a questions and then the time when you want to answer, the connection is lost between you or I. Otomatis akan merubah jawaban kalian. Jadi kalian udah prepare the answer, but the connection is lost dan pasti nanti jadi ngeblank. Pasti kalian nggak bisa tadi mau jawab apa ya, ataupun kayaknya kemarin malam sudah saya hafalkan, ternyata bisa lupa gara-gara connection loss. Nah, nanti seperti ini kita lihat apa yang dialami kakak kelas kalian. Oke, now I would like some of you to read this paragraph. Want to read this paragraph loudly sambil membaca, nanti sambil saya betulkan how you pronounce the English word. Ayo, siapa yang mau?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Saiful Rahman atau Kale? Boleh. Boleh yang paragraf pertama Syaiful and then the next paragraph is Khalid.
Paragraph. After passing the academic test and psychological assessment, I was interviewed by 3 interviewers who are coming from India, Japan, and Philippines. I was really nervous, especially when I got question from the Japanese. He doesn't have a good English, by the way. It was not a personal interview. There were 2 cadets sitting beside me. The interview took approximately 1 hour. Firstly, they asked about personal and general questions. Then they gave question about nautical field and theory, which are related to vessel. They taught us to raise our hand if we know the answer, but all questions they asked were difficult. None of us could answer all the questions they gave, so they probably assess our English pronunciation and grammar and the way we spoke.
Continue Khalid.
A week later, the result came. Surprisingly, I was accepted by NYK. 2 of my friends were also accepted. It was the happiest day for me to be accepted by a great company. I told my family immediately, and they were very happy to hear the news.
Okay. On the interview sessions, I remember that one of your dream company is NYK. Ada yang sama dengan Disney? NYK kemarin
Radit,
siapa
ma'am.
ya? Radit pengen di
Radit,
NYK ya Radit ya.
Ya,
Update
ma'am.
juga,
So,
ma'am.
sudah
Sudah
keterima.
masuk, ma'am.
Oke, very good Radit. Jadi Radit juga di interview seperti kakak kelas kalian seperti ini.
Siap, iya, ma'am. Tapi urutannya beda, ma'am. Yang ceritanya.
Oh gitu. Could you please tell us nanti ya habis ini diceritakan ya Radit ya. Jadi di sini
Iya, ma'am.
ya. So after passing the academic test and psychological assessment, you should not pronounce the letter P in the beginning of this word. So just say psychological ya. Jadi bukan psi. Jadi nggak usah kamu tahan psychological atau psychological assessment, but psychological assessment. Hayo, halo. Can anyone listen to me? Tes? Punya saya ya, yang jump out. Okay, let me continue. So this one, you should try to pronounce the word psychological assessment, not psychological ya. Jadi PS gini. Jadi commonly we pronounce only one consonant in the beginning of a word. Ya, jadi tidak usah duanya. Jadi yang paling bisa membaca 2 konsonan di awal itu hanya orang Jawa. 2 konsonan, contohnya adalah misalnya gelundung atau mbledos. Nah, itu bisa, but it is very hard for English to have 2 or more consonant in the beginning of the word. So just say psychological assessment. I was interviewed by 3 interviewers who are coming from India, Japan, and Philippines. Kenapa kok very hard? Because the question from Japanese and he doesn't have a good English. Then it wasn't ya. Jadi kalau S bertemu dengan N, you can just pronounce it wasn't a personal interview. Repeat after me, wasn't
Wasn't.
Yeah.
Wasn't.
Wasn't a personal interview, and there were two cadets sitting beside me. Yeah. The interview took approximately gimana bacanya?
1 hour, man.
1 hour.
1 hour.
Ya, our yang our home, rumah kita dengan our menunjukkan waktu itu sama pengucapannya ya. Repeat after me, our.
Our.
Our home.
Our
home.
Yang satu 1 hour.
1 hour.
Hour.
Coba satu-satu, Samudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Coba
1 hour.
terus satunya
Our dormitory.
our dormitory. Very good. What about Harisma and Husni?
1 hour. 1 hour.
Terus satunya our college.
Our college. Our college.
Ya, college ya. O-nya dari sini, our college. Radit. Kalau 2 jam. Ayo Dit, 2 jam Dit.
2 hour, man.
2 hour with S, 2 hours.
Yes, 2 hours.
2 hours ya. Jadi seperti itu. And then they gave questions about nautical field and theory which are related to vessel. Ini adalah technical knowledge. Kemarin saya tidak menanyakan sama sekali tentang technical knowledge, field and theory. Saya hanya menanyakan tentang subjek aja ya, because I think this is very difficult for you to deliver that. And then they told us to raise our hand if we know the answer, but all questions they asked were difficult. Nah, none of us could answer all of the question they gave, and so they probably assessed our English and the way we spoke. Yeah, ini pronunciation and grammar. And then a week later, the result came, and surprisingly, I was accepted by NYK. And then 2 of my friends were also accepted. Then it was the happiest day for me to be accepted by a great company, and I told my family immediately, and they were very happy to hear the news. Now comes to questions after reading the senior experience. Number 1, general or personal question. To answer this type of question, you need to show the best version of your character and personality. Oke, jadi ini ada 2 pertanyaan yang akan ditanyakan pada saat interview session. Kalau kemarin Raditya, boleh di-share bagaimana pengalamannya, pertanyaan apa saja yang Radit dapatkan pada saat apply in NYK, Radit?
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me. That's about interview, ma'am. The first thing, they asked me about my name, and then my date of birth.
Date of birth.
Date of birth. And then place of birth. And then they asked me too about strength and weakness of
Ya.
myself. And then they asked me about their company. What is their company about, or why is me interested in their company, and how many their vessel have. Then they asked me about some of nautical things or nautical question. It's about variation, deviation, and then about ballast tank in vessel. And then they asked me about my plan 10 years.
10 years from now.
years from now. And what will I do when I am not a sailor again?
Mm-mm.
They just ask me that too. Yeah, I think that is enough. That is
Mhm.
all of my
Mm-mm.
question that I have with them.
So, could you please, can you answer all of the questions given to you?
Actually, not. Some of
Mhm.
question I'm not. I cannot answer.
But why? In what way? In what way you are accepted? You can be accepted as the cadet who can join to the company. In what way do you think that you can be accepted?
I think if compared with the others,
Mm,
uh,
you are better.
they yeah in maybe I am more confident
Mm,
than them, and then in my English is enough good enough for speaking or listening.
mhm.
Yeah, I think
Oke.
that
Jadi cuma Radit aja yang terpilih atau masih ada teman yang lainnya, Dit?
untuk NWT hanya saya tidak seniman, tapi yang lainnya juga sudah keterima beberapa di perusahaan yang lain.
Oke. Ya. Jadi yang disebutkan Radit tadi pertanyaannya, the question are divided into two types. Yang pertama adalah general atau personal questions, itu sangat general. Maka tentang background family, tentang background pendidikan, ya. So I hope that you can deliver the informations of those general things better than another questions. Jadi kalau pertanyaan seperti yang tadi diungkapkan Radit, misalnya strength and weakness ataupun plan in 10 ataupun 5 years, itu kan kamu tahu sendiri ya. Jadi tidak perlu berpikir tentang pengetahuan yang kamu dapatkan di kampus. Jadi pasti kamu bisa menyampaikannya dengan baik. So dijawablah dengan sebaik mungkin. Bedanya, nah nanti kalau misalnya another kind of questions, apa itu? Yaitu technical knowledge. Nah, ini baru yang susah. Jadi makanya ini perlu agak memikir. Jadi dipersiapkan dengan baik if you want to apply in a big company ataupun international company, ya. Oke. Nah, di sini ada contoh yang bisa nanti kalian praktekkan dengan teman-teman di sini. Nah, ini adalah example interview transcript of between interviewer and interviewee. Nah, di sini ada dua, yang bosnya adalah the boss, my Miss Boss, si the boss. Kemudian satunya nama kalian, ya. Itu adalah between applicant, job applicant, and between apa namanya, interviewer. Nah, sekarang I would like to kita akan mempraktekkan. Jadi di sini adalah kalau ini sepertinya terlalu panjang dan terlalu strict, terlalu stiff ya, kaku. Nanti kalian bisa arrange sendiri. Nah, today we are going to perform apa tuh namanya, just like interview things ya, a pair. Jadi nanti ada yang perform as a interviewer and ada yang perform as an interviewee. Misalnya seperti Harisma dan Husni ini kan sudah berada dalam tempat yang sama. Nah, nanti langsung praktek bisa berhadap-hadapan. Nah, di sini adalah sample of general questions and the suggested ways of answering. Ya, jadi di sini pasti ada pertanyaan misalnya tell me about yourself. Nah, tell me about yourself ini pertanyaannya lebih simple tapi jawabannya lebih susah. Kenapa? Karena dengan tell me about yourself ini bisa jadi panjang sekali jawabannya. It can be your background of education, bisa jadi background of your personal things ya. Jadi di sini apa sih tipe pertanyaannya? Nah, this is classic open-ended interview questions and likely to be among the first. Pasti ditanyakan pertama kali. Nah, makanya pada saat ada pertanyaan ini, it is your chance to introduce your qualifications. Kamu tuh bisanya apa sih? And then good work habits, kebiasaan yang kira-kira dengan mengatakannya kamu akan dilirik ya. Misalnya PD dan sebagainya seperti yang tadi sudah dilakukan oleh Radit. And keep it mostly work and career related. Jadi yang diungkapkan ya yang berhubungan dengan pekerjaan yang nanti akan kalian tekuni, bukan yang lain-lainnya ya. Misalnya kemarin ada yang menyampaikan, I usually forgot on doing something, so I usually take notes in a pocket book. Nah, seperti itu. Nah, itu it's okay to be delivered during your interview sessions. Ya, many cadets make mistake in this part by telling irrelevant things. Nah, such as the name of his or her father or mother. Kamu boleh mengatakan I am the first child in my family, tapi kayaknya kalau terlalu komplit dengan menyatakan nama orang tuamu kan ini semacam seperti proposal pernikahan ya, bukan proposal pekerjaan. Jadi tidak perlu. Maka tentukan aja yang fokus ke kalian, bukan fokus ke yang lain-lain. Nah, terus pertanyaan yang kedua adalah seperti yang tadi sudah diungkapkan Radi juga, ada strength and weakness. Nah, jadi ada banyak pertanyaan. Nanti saya akan kasih waktu kalian ya 5 until 10 minutes to do in pair ya. Silakan kalian nanti berpasangan because this Zoom is already breaking out, sudah di break out dan saya tidak mungkin membreak out. Gimana saya memasangkan kalian berpasang-pasangan? Can you please communicate with others by using other media? Kalian berkomunikasi, misalnya kalau seperti Harisma dan Husni kan sudah bisa ya berpasangan ya. So what about the others? I would like you to discuss with other. You can use maybe the chat in the Zoom. Kalian bisa menuliskan dengan teman kalian berpasangan. Oke, saya kasih pasangan ya. Nanti kalian akan act like interviewer and interviewee. Jadi nanti akan bergantian menanyakan dan menjawab pertanyaan tentang interview seperti itu. Yang pertama adalah Harisma and Husni, and then Hasanuddin and Radit. Hasanuddin sama Radit ya. Kemudian nanti Adi Sutanto dan Kale. Kemudian nanti Syaiful, Alfian dan Samudra jadi satu. Itu kalian apakah berdekatan? Pada di ini di asrama sekarang?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Miss. Satu dormitory, Miss. Yes, ma'am.
Nah, jadi kalau misalnya seperti itu,
Beda lantai.
please move to one place. Misalnya seperti Adi sama Kale kan bisa nggak terlalu jauh nggak dormnya, nggak kan? Beda lantai.
Mohon izin, ma'am. Berarti yang ini dimatikan.
Tidak, ma'am.
gitu, ma'am.
Ya, bisa nggak kalian berkomunikasi lewat ini? Ribet nggak sih seperti itu?
Siap tidak, ma'am?
Ya, berarti kalian pakai aja. Nanti kalian siapkan tulisan ataupun pertanyaan questions ya sebagai jadi nanti kalian akan jadi interviewer, yang satunya jadi interviewee. Jadi tidak melulu terpaut pada pertanyaan yang ada di dalam buku. Kalau di dalam buku kan tadi kan ada pertanyaan tentang general informations dan about technical knowledge. Nah, itu kalian boleh menanyakan di luar itu. Tapi yang pasti formal ya, sesuai dengan apa namanya tupoksinya yang tentang pekerjaan saja. Boleh kalian mau bergabung di dunia nyata ataupun tetap berada di dalam kolom Zoom. Oke, nanti saya akan panggil untuk perform dan nanti teman-teman menilai ini yang kurang dari interviewer ini apa sih? Ini yang kurang dari yang apa? Sebentar saya nyalakan ring light saya dulu. Nah, seperti itu. Oke. Adakah yang mau, is there any questions about the interview simulation between you and your friends?
Oh, man.
Ya.
Bertanya, ma'am.
Silakan.
Questionnya berapa pertanyaan, ma'am?
Ya nggak usah banyak-banyak, kan ini kan nanti kalian ganti-gantian ya. Boleh 5 questions. 5 question itu general information sama technical. Jadi misalnya ada mata pelajaran apa nih, mata-mata kuliah apa nih yang ingin kalian tanyakan ke dalam nanti interviewnya, boleh nanti ditanyakan. Jadi kalian bisa berdiskusi. Nanti misalnya Husni, nanti jangan susah-susah ya, atau nanti saya jawabnya gimana ya. Nah, seperti itu. Jadi itu kan kalian berlatih. Ya, Harisma and Husni, and then tadi Kale and Adi, kemudian
Ma'am.
Alfian tadi sama siapa? Alfian, Samudra, dan Hasanuddin ya.
Saiful, ma'am.
Ya, pokoknya itu nanti, oke, I'll give you 5 minutes cukup. Kecepatan ya kayaknya ya. 10 minutes. 10 minutes ya. 10 minutes. Saya akan kasih contoh pertanyaan. Oke. 10 minutes start from now. Please work with your friend and arrange the questions on interview session. Saiful, paham ya Saiful ya?
Yes, ma'am. Ini ada Samudra, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here, ma'am.
Very good. Nah, bagus tuh. Kalian sudah sama ini. Oke, good. 10 minutes. You can just check look at my slide here to see and to give you reference how to ask and how to answer in interview ya.
Sudah ya, sampai ada loh.
Finish. Now it is your turns to have interview script ya. Sudah selesai diskusinya atau belum?
Not ready, ma'am.
Kamu bisa menggunakan ini contohnya ya nanti untuk menjawab ya. Misalnya ada pertanyaan ini ada banyak. Should I halo? Oke, yuk kita mulai yuk. Karena waktu kita tinggal 1 jam. Saya takut khawatir nanti kalau dimulainya nanti jadi nggak selesai ya. Sekarang nanti contoh aja. Yuk. Sekarang kita mulai start from the first couple. Karisma dan Husni. Karisma dan Husni.
Yes, ma'am.
Please perform your interview simulations in pair between interviewer and the job applicant. Di sini adalah Harisma dan Husni. Oke. Siap ya Harisma? Iya Harisma dan Husni ya. Yuk.
Ma'am. Hello, good afternoon, Karisma. Yes, afternoon. Hello, about yourself. Thank you. My name is Karisma Satya Adi Wijaya, and you can call me Karisma. I'm 19 years old. I was born in Pati, 27 July 2002, and I live in. Tell me about your strength and weakness. My strength is I can work under pressure and I can get along with others. And my weakness is something I forget. Sometimes I forget something, but to solve it, I read the important thing in my pocket book or my phone. Your favorite company? My favorite company is Container because container. Oh yes, for me. Yes. Will you want to join your company? Because the company is that's all, ma'am.
Sudah bergantiankah dengan Husni yang jadi interviewer? Now it is and
Siap, ma'am. Gantian, ma'am.
so while waiting for Harisma and Husni perform, please the other take notes if there are any corrections to be said to the interviewer or the job applicant ya. Nanti kira-kira kalau dilihat Harisma dan Husni nih kurangnya Harisma sebagai pewawancara apa, kurangnya Husni sebagai yang diwawancara apa, nanti silahkan disampaikan ya. Nanti sebagai bahan referensi, bukan pembawa acara.
Saya sebagai wawancara.
Iya, kan gantian. Sudah, tadi sudah ya. Husni sudah sebagai pewawancara. Nah, sekarang gantian yang Husni yang diwawancarai. Silakan, Harisma.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you. My name is Husni Widianto. You call me Husni. I'm 90 years old. I was born in Pekalongan, 22 July 2001, and I live in Pekalongan. Tell me about your strength and weakness. My strength is I can work under pressure, and I see through girl along with others. And my weakness, I sometimes I forget something, but to solve it wait the important things in my book about my phone. What is your favorite company? My favorite company is company Korea. Why you like the company Korea? Because company Korea is good for me. Why you want to join to our company? Because company I want to become account silent and good for me. Thank you. Finish, ma'am.
Well, give applause for Harisma and Husni as the such a nice first performance. Oke. Masih tetap ya sebagai yang ditayangkan ya. Oke, is there any comments, corrections for the others about the performance of Harisma and Husni? Ada yang ingin memberikan komen ataupun tanggapannya kah? So this one ya. Tadi Harisma and Husni ya. Sebentar saya tampilkan di sini. Saya tampilkan di sini ya. So, nah ini adalah salah satu hal things that you should watch during the interview ya. Nah, ini di sini tadi yang ini kemarin kita sudah bahas ini belum?
Sudah, ma'am.
Sudah. Nah, sekarang kita pastikan Harisma dan Husni ingat. Nah, nanti kalau sudah tahu, sudah mempraktekkan ingat. Nah, di sini ada kata-kata dress properly once you are about to attend the job interview. Apakah keduanya, baik itu pewawancara dan yang diwawancarai already dress properly during the interview? Teman-teman semuanya bisa kasih jawaban? Sudah berpakaian sesuai?
Sesuai, ma'am.
Oke,
Sudah sesuai, ma'am.
bagus. And then what about the manner? Manner during interview. Kalian tahu apa itu manner? Sekarang
Tingkah
itu
laku.
iya, tingkah
ma'am.
laku. Apakah Harisma dan Husni? Halo Harisma dan Husni. Nah, kira-kira tadi
Yes, ma'am.
manner kamu pada saat interview itu apakah sudah bisa dikatakan baik atau masih ada yang kurang pas nih?
Siap kurang, ma'am.
Apanya? Apanya Harisma? Apanya Husni?
Siap terlalu banyak gerak, ma'am.
Lah,
4 dari 10, ma'am.
terus kenapa kamu banyak bergerak, Harisma? Jadi tuh tadi
Lebih, ma'am.
Mandi, ma'am.
jadi kayak Iya, kayak tanyanya tuh kayak kalian lagi di warung kopi gitu loh. Ya, jadi terlalu banyak gerak. Jadi kemudian tatapan matanya itu Husni kemana-mana loh. Hus, kamu ini apa namanya lagi mau wawancarai, tapi kayak dikejar-kejar mau ada debt collector gitu loh. Cepet-cepet kamu, buru-buru. Pokoknya ini yang penting interviewnya cepet selesai. Soalnya yang melamar itu adalah ratusan ribu orang kayak gitu ya, Husni ya. Pas jadi
Yes, ma'am.
nah itu harus diperhatikan. Jadi kalau yang mau wawancarai aja nggak tenang, if the if the interviewer is not calm to face the interviewee, nanti jadi membuat pewawancaranya itu yang diwawancarai jadi juga terburu-buru ya. Dan ini perhatikan nih Harisma and Husni, don't look away when answering the questions. Nah, tatapan matanya kemana-mana tadi apa sudah saling bertatap-tatapan mata dan mata ini tadi?
Siap, ma'am.
Siap, ma'am.
Kadang ya, kadang tidak, ma'am.
Nah, harus diperhatikannya tatapan matanya harus selalu fokus dan jangan menjawab pertanyaan lama. Tapi kalau tadi sudah cukup ya, ini nanti ada. Oke, nah nanti saya akan menjelaskan ini. Ini sudah saya jelaskan. Nah, ini adalah common possible question in a job interview. Oke, nanti saya jelaskan lagi. Sekarang gilirannya Radit dan mana nih orangnya nih?
Yes,
Excuse,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We
Radit,
are ready.
Radit and who?
Hasan.
Radit and
Hasan, ma'am.
Hasanuddin.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the time is yours.
Excuse, ma'am. Can I go to the restroom, ma'am?
Ngapain? Oke,
Izin ke toilet, ma'am.
boleh, silakan. Kok Samudra sih?
Yes, ma'am. We start. Let's start. In this moment, I want to be a viewer and Radit. Excuse me. Let's start. In this moment, I to be a viewer and then Radit to be viewing. Let's start. Good afternoon, Radit. Good afternoon, sir. Are you ready for this interview today, Radit? Yes, I'm ready, sir. Okay, Radit. Tell me about yourself. Thank you for the opportunity that you given to me, sir. All right, thank you, sir. My name is Raditya Nuriswardana. You can call me Adit. I was born in Semarang, 20 December 2001. Now I'm in Marine of Semarang. I supplied in fourth semester, and I'm in tech department. And then I have two brothers. My big brother and my little brother. Then my other is brother is in a company. And then my mother is a housewife. I think it is enough for my introduction. Okay, Radit, thanks for your value. And then you can tell you about your strength and your weakness. Right, sir. I think so. My strength. I am is a hardworking person, sir. And I also have the ability to work in this for my business. I cannot do multitasking job, but instead of that, I always trying to finish all the tasks when they were quickly. Okay, Radit, thank you. And then, what you kind of the vessel in my company? Vessel that I want to choose in the business, any vessel that already that will give to me, I will convert on it. I will try to learn all the vessel that you convert. Okay, Radit. And then, why you want to apply this my company? Because our company is international company. There is will be many person around the world who will be applying their company. It is one of my motivation because I want to try communicate with the other person from the other country. Okay, Radit. And the last question, company choose you to work my company. Um, my strength is I
Belum
tell you.
lagi tolol.
I'm
Itu loh,
also
Jo tolol, gak pakai baju lewat sini. Ini di record,
I
di
love
record
that.
vlog,
Okay, thank
masukin
you,
ke
Radit.
YouTube loh.
It's enough for my session. Good afternoon, Radit. So for now, I will change. I will be interviewer and something.
Yes, just go on, Radit.
Okay. Good afternoon, Hasanuddin. Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. How are you today? I am fine, sir. Thank you. Okay, so we will start our interview today. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready, sir. Tell me about yourself, Hasanuddin. Yes, thank you, sir. I want to introduce myself. My name is Hasanuddin. You can call me Hasan. I am 20 years old. I'm from East Java, exactly Madrid. I now study at Ocean Marine Polytechnic of Semarang, and I'm Dutchman, and I am Muslim. I want to have an ambition for my study at Ocean Marine Polytechnic of Semarang is to be Simon Renewable Energy. And I last work at my family now because I have 5 children from my 5 siblings. And then background school is I was graduated at elementary school at one Telaga Biru, and then I was graduated junior high school at one Tanjung Bumi, and then senior high school at one Tanjung. It is enough, sir. Can you tell me the reason why should we hire you? Yes, sir. The first, I believe I want to be a super, and then I'm good operating computer, Word, Excel, and then this other cadet, and then I can also fast and hard, and then I can work under pressure, and then I can work a deficit. I think enough. When you apply that, yes, sir. Yeah, either I can be a sailor, and I will return to my any monitor, and then later my body as long body as soul can be needed as officer on ship. Yes, I mean enough, sir. Do you have a plan? What will you do after you are not a sailor anymore? Yes, sir. I think if I covered for my work shipper, either I can be a sailor anymore. I will return to nature as a leader in my house and to be a good father for my family. I think enough, sir. Thank you. What has helped you want the most to onboard? Yes, sir. I want to apply to your company. I want to buy crude oil vessel of your company. I think that's it. Thank you. Thank you, man.
Yeah, please give applause for Hasan and Rajit. Such a nice interview. Is there any comments and corrections for the friends about the performance of Hasanuddin and Rajit? Ada yang ingin mengomentari kah? So, Hasan and Radit, you have too much movements during your interview sessions ya. Baik itu Hasan, you are busy with yourself, sibuk dengan diri kamu sendiri, entah itu apa namanya gesturnya mau benerin kah atau hadap duduk kah. Nah, itu seperti itu, atau kalian berdua sibuk dengan the device that you are using ya, using with ya. Even though you have a device to be used such as an earphone, please act like a normal and neutral interview programs ya. Jadi bukan untuk main-mainan. Iya, jadi terlalu banyak movements, kemudian eye contact-nya kemana-mana ya. Kemudian Hasanuddin juga apa namanya, pertanyaannya tidak disiapkan dengan baik ya, meskipun berhadapan-hadapan dengan baik ya. Seperti itu, eye contact-nya harus selalu memperhatikan lawan bicaranya ya, harus memperhatikan lawan bicara. Kemudian sesama pewawancara dan sesama wawancara harus dua-duanya gesturnya and body language-nya harus dijaga. Jadi tidak hanya body language-nya interviewee aja yang diwawancarai, tapi yang mewawancarai juga harus bersikap tenang ya. Seperti tadi yang sudah diungkapkan oleh Hasan sendiri ya, kamu sendiri ya Hasan ya. Nah seperti itu. Ada yang ingin mengomentari kah? Mungkin Adi, Syaiful, Alfian, Sam, Kale, Harisma, dan Husni. Ada yang ingin dikomentari?
Not yet, ma'am.
Oke, ya. Oke. Satu lagi pasangan sebelum nanti kita lanjutkan about the explanation of job interview. Thank you very much Hasan and Radit. Now we move to Kale and Adi.
Yes, ma'am. Izin, ma'am.
Siapa? Saiful?
Ya, ma'am. Izin ke belakang dulu, ma'am, untuk
Oh,
ambil
baik.
jemuran karena mau hujan, ma'am.
Oke. Ada lainnya selain
kasih,
Saiful
ma'am.
yang mau ambil jemuran?
Saiful, ma'am.
Oke, ya sekarang saatnya Afrian Ardiansah and Adi Sutanto to perform the interview simulations. And Afrian dan Adi, jadi mohon untuk masukan-masukan yang saya berikan kepada pasangan sebelum-sebelumnya untuk diperhatikan dan dipraktekkan sehingga tidak terulang lagi pada saat kalian perform. Seperti itu ya. And the time is yours, Afrian and Adi. Siap, Afrian Ardiansyah, apa masih mau diskusi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Langsung.
ma'am.
Langsung.
Good afternoon, Kak. Tell me about yourself.
Let me interrupt first. Halo, Afrian, Kale.
Good,
Tell me.
good afternoon, sir. It's
Bentar. Kale,
it's my
Kale.
pleasure to
Afternoon,
attend this
sir.
interview. I am
It's-
Afra Shah and
It's my
raised
pleasure to
in
attend this interview.
Padang,
I
Riau.
am Afra and raised
Hmm.
I am Afra.
I have completed my schooling in Semarang, actually in Polytechnic Merchant of Semarang with high passing grade. I have one little brother and family. Maybe that's all about myself. Tell me about your strengths and weakness.
What is your greatest strength and weakness? Ali?
My strengths are I'm a workaholic person. That means until I complete my job, I can't rest myself and can also balance between success and failure. And my weakness is I'm a people pleaser and I want everyone to work together instead of letting one person down. But however, I have learned to be assertive as I believe in hard work and perfection in everything. That's all, sir. Excuse, ma'am. No, I was in the role.
Ya, so sudah selesai pertanyaannya untuk aja. Halo, Kale.
Saya lahir.
Afrian, mohon untuk wajahnya Adi. Ini mana Afriannya kok hilang? Ini how is the weather in your place? How is the weather in Singosari? Because in Telogosari the weather is just so bad and the rain is going to coming cat and dogs. Coba deh tengok dari jendela kalian tuh mendungnya sudah gelap
Yes,
sekali. Ini udah datang nih. Kale, please, Adi, you can just use Afrian's laptop instead of yours because your face doesn't appear in your account. Wajahnya Adi nggak kelihatan kalau pakai background yang ini.
I think
Oke.
his internet ini ma'am.
Nah,
Problem,
sip.
ma'am.
Coba nanti diulang lagi ya Kale ya, karena tadi wajahnya
Yes,
Adi
ma'am.
nggak, ya Adi wajahnya Adi nggak kelihatan. Tadi Adi sebagai pewawancara wajahnya tidak terlihat, maka mohon diulangi lagi ya. Jadi your face and Adi's face should be appear in the screen. Yeah, it is better than the previous one. So instead of using 2 laptops, you can just use one only. Oke, tidak usah melirik, lihat, ingat. Gerakan mata, eye contact, body language itu very important in interview ya. Oke. Ulangi dari awal ya. Is it okay? No problem ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, silakan diulang dari Adi sebagai pewawancara.
Okay, good afternoon, Kale. Tell me about yourself.
It's my pleasure to attend this interview. I'm Afren Ardiansyah and raised in Selat Panjang, Riau. I have complete my schooling in Semarang, actually in Polytechnic Merchant of Semarang with high passing grade. I have one little brother and parents live in Selat Panjang, Riau. Maybe that's all about myself.
What is your greatest strength and weakness, Kale?
My strengths are I'm a workaholic person. That means until I finish my job, rest, I can rest myself and can also balance between success and failure. And my weakness is I'm a people pleaser and I want everyone to work together instead of letting one of them person down. But however, I have to be assertive as a belief in hard work and perfection in everything.
This all.
Yeah, now please change the turn.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
My name is Muhammad Istanto. You can call me Adi. I was born February 6 Maret 2002. My background education, I was studying in elementary school at Ban Balangan. In junior high school of Teras 1 and my senior high school in senior high school of Bayudono 1. And I know I'm college in Merchant Polytechnic of Semarang.
Okay, tell me about your strengths and weakness.
My strength, I am confident, full of enthusiasm and communication, and I am a patient person. My weakness is in managing my daily time and something forget, and I find it difficult to express quickly. This all.
Okay, ma'am.
Give applause for Kale and Adi Sutanto. Semuanya tepuk tangan dong. Kale, failure, not failure. Apa kamu tadi ngomongnya failure ya?
Failure, man.
Failure. Instead of pronounce failure, just pronounce failure, ya. And then I am a people pleaser itu maksudnya gimana sih, Kale?
Ma'am,
Mau ngomong apa sih people pleaser itu tadi? I am a people pleaser. Ngomong apa sih tadi, Kale? People pleaser.
people pleaser.
Apa itu maksudnya? Suka menyenangkan orang lain.
Orang yang suka.
Gimana orang yang suka
Oh ya,
people pleaser? Suka menyenangkan orang lain, begitu maksudnya.
ya ma'am.
Ya, oke. Nah, tadi sudah bagus. Nah, ini body language between Kale and Adi Sutanto is good enough because you both have good eye contact during the interview. Ya, Kale menatap Adi kemudian menatap Kale. Yang penting endingnya jangan jatuh cinta ya, bahaya. Jadi matanya sudah menatap dengan baik, sudah fokus, tidak banyak movement, tidak banyak pergerakan ya. Kemudian juga badannya tegap, rapi, tegap seperti ini menunjukkan siap untuk melaksanakan wawancara between Ade dan Sutanto. Nah, kemudian untuk Adi, I was born in gimana? Tadi Adi ngomongnya I was born in gimana di? 12 Maret 2000 and Nah, if you want to say your date of birth, you can just start with the month first. For example, I am Atia Salwa and I was born in Semarang, July 23rd, 1919 something. Jadi seperti itu. Jadi dimulai dari bulannya dulu ya. So I was born in Boyolali March 12, 2006 misalnya. Seperti itu ya dia. March, bukan Maret tapi March ya di. Kemudian untuk Kale strength ya, jangan strengthness. Jangan strengthness. Be strength ya. Oke, tapi overall sudah bagus untuk Kale dan Adi Sutanto. Oke, good job. Next. Ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Kale sama Adi? Syaiful?
Not yet, Miss.
Ya, now it is the
Yet,
turn
Miss.
for Saiful. Kemudian ada Alfian and Samudra.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ini antara siapa dan siapa dulu?
Samudra Saiful, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I wanna be interviewer first, ma'am. Let's start, ma'am.
Okay, let's start the interview.
Good afternoon, Saiful. How are you
Good
today?
afternoon, Mr. Sam.
All right, Mister. I'm Saiful Rahman. You can call me Saiful. I'm from VIP Semarang. So I'm the third child in my family. I was born in Jakarta on 1st November 2001. So I really like automotive and traveling. My father is entrepreneur and my mother is a housewife. That's all I can say about this introduction. I think enough, sir. And next, could you please spell your nickname with nautical alphabet? Simple. All right, sir. My name is Saiful, so my nickname from alphabet is Sierra, Yankee, Alpha, India, Foxtrot, Uniform, 5. Finish, Saiful? Yeah. Yes, enough, sir. And then, what is your strength and weakness? My strength, my friend said that I'm diligent and hard worker because I always submit the assignment from lectures on time. Me myself like to get things done. I can stop what I'm doing until it is finished. And my strength are my punctuality. I know how to manage my time well. I am little bit perfectionist, which makes me somehow blaming too much on my mistakes. I often think a lot if I did wrong. I like if someone tell me what my mistake clearly, so I can fix it. And I consider myself to be someone who is very consequentious. Consequentious. However, sometimes this can be a tendency towards perfectionism. Enough, sir.
Okay, and then next, what do you know about my company?
KSM is the leading shipping company which has its head office in Busan, Korea. The company has ships of many types of ships, namely asphalt or chemical tankers, general cargo, container, cement, bakare, and so on. KSM Indonesia also has a bulk ship with a tonnage of approximately 35,000, which is the entire set of Indonesian crew from captain to messman. Enough, sir.
And the last question, why do you want to become a chauffeur or chauffeur?
Because this is my dream jobs when I was a child. I saw my uncle and I want to be like him. I also like to travel around the world, and becoming seafarer helped me to make it real, and because like a lot challenge as well. Enough, sir.
Okay, chauffeur. Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, just go on. And then what about the next turn between the same one, Saiful and Samudra on or same with Alfian?
Same with Alfian, ma'am.
Same with Alfian. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Let's start, ma'am. Good afternoon, Alfian. How are you today?
Just wait. Sam tanya lagi, interviewer lagi, Sam.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, kamu cuma tanya ya. Tapi nanti kamu kapan menjawab pertanyaannya dari siapa?
From Alfian.
Iya.
Saya aja, ma'am.
Oh, from Saiful, ma'am.
Oke.
Uh,
Gantian Samudra yang menjawab pertanyaan dari Alfian ya.
Yo, aku tekan aja. Yes, ma'am.
Oke, let's start. Alfian.
Hello, Samudra. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are you ready to this interview?
I'm ready and I'm interested for this interview, sir.
Yeah. First, please do tell me about yourself.
Thanks for give me for opportunity for introduce myself. My name is Samudra Pinanggi Sukendi. You can call me Sam, and I'm from Nautical Third Eco. I was born in Gresik. 29 March 2002. I am 19 years old. Enough, sir.
Yeah, and then mention your strength and weakness right now.
For my weakness, sometimes I'm slower for completing my task compared to other because I really want to get right. And then I have bad habit to real time management. And to solve this problem, I always wear watch for my time management. And I have any strength for minimize my weakness. I have strong work ethic, and then I can work under pressure. And I'm very dependable. I consider myself to be a team player, and I can work with other people from. I can work with other people from different nationalities. Enough, sir.
Yeah, okay. And then the next question for you. What do you want to be a superhero?
Pardon, sir. Can you repeat your question?
Yeah. What do you want to be a superhero?
I want to become a severer because I like to traveling and I have dream for around to the world, and then I wanna achieve my dream with this company because this company can bring me to around to the world. I can around to the world without spend my money. Enough, sir.
And how long do you want to be a superhero, Sam?
Pardon, sir.
I'm sorry. How long do you want to be superhero, Mr. Sam?
In my plan, I wanna be severer until 30 years old, and after that, I wanna be pilot like my father. Enough, sir.
Okay. Now the last question. What do you know about our company? Please explain to me.
PT Alfian is one of the biggest crew manning agency in Indonesia. And PT Alfian located in Plaza Kelapa Gading Rutan Block C, number 55. PT Alfian offer complete crew management service to all type of vessels. PT Alfian established since enough, sir.
Okay. Thank you for this opportunity, Mr. Sam. I think enough.
Finish, man.
Okay, is that all? Okay, now Syaiful, please be interviewer for Alfian, ya kan? Yang menanyai Alfian Syaiful kan?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, silakan
Yes, ma'am.
Syaiful.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Alfian, please tell me about yourself, Alfian.
Yes, Mr. Faithful, thank you for this opportunity. I would like to introduce myself. My complete name is Rizky Syarwal Tuntutuwoh. Usually, people call me Alfian. I was born in Grobogan, 16 February 2002.
Itu loh anaknya Miss.
I live in Central Java, exactly Purwodadi. And now I'm 20 years old. And then I like playing futsal and traveling. And now I'm a cadet from Marine Polytechnic of Semarang, and I take major is tech department. I think enough, sir.
Okay. So, what your strength and your weakness? Please tell me, Alfian.
Yes, sir. I have some strength as I'm passionate at English both early and written. I can work in team and I have good communication skill. I also have some weakness as I'm easily to forgetting. However, I start everything to make a note or to do list to make to prevent that weakness. And then I need more time to solve the problem. And I'm such a shy person. It happen. Will I meet with new people, sir?
Saiful. Saiful, is that all?
Full bisa nggak full?
I'm sorry, Miss.
Yes, okay. Oke lah, anggaplah udahlah ya, Alfian ya.
Sudah bisa
Udahlah,
Miss.
anggapnya sudah ya, tepuk tangan untuk trio Libels ya. Ini 3 ini yang sudah berkolaborasi ya.
Udah.
Oke ya, bagus nih pertanyaannya Adi nih. Could you please spell your name with nautical alphabet? Nih kalau Sam mewawancara saya udah pasti Zong, saya nggak bisa jawab ini Sam.
Yes, ma'am.
Kalian taunya alpha, beta, Charlie, delta, udah itu aja ya. Yang lainnya very good. Jadi kadang pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang mengagetkan seperti itu, pertanyaan yang menjebak seperti itu perlu juga kan, karena untuk shocking therapy ya. Jadi bukan pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang general ya, seperti itu. So you should spell consider, not consider, but consider, ya. Okay. Just repeat after me. Consider.
Consider.
Ya bagus Sam.
Consider.
Okay.
Consider.
Jadi tidak itu ngapain Saiful jadi ganggu banget? Ya Saiful nggak apa-apa sama Alfian. Nggak perlu menggunakan device-nya sendiri ya Saiful ya. Jadi consider ya. Kemudian tadi pertanyaan dari Alfian. What do you want to be a cipher? Nah ini agak bingung ini Sam tadi jawabnya Alfian ya. Mungkin yang dimaksud menggunakan why ya Alfian ya.
Why, ma'am?
Lah,
Why, ma'am?
why not what? Karena kalau what tadi Sam juga kayaknya kaget. Mau jawab apa nih? What do you want to be? Maksudnya kalau why udah benar. Why do you want to be a cipher? Kemudian tadi yang menjawab I can work with different nationalism itu siapa? Samudra ya? Salah satu strength-nya adalah I can work with different nationality, not nationalism. Ya Sam? Iya, karena yang kamu maksudkan kamu bisa bekerja dengan orang-orang dari luar negara ya, luar negeri ya. Ya, nationality, not nationalism. Not nationalism. Nah, seperti itu ya. Kemudian saya mau tanya, apakah sering kalian mendengar pertanyaan how long do you want to be a cipher? Emang seperti itu ya? Berapa lama kamu ingin menjadi seorang cipher ataupun sailor?
Yes, ada pertanyaan gitu, ma'am.
Kenapa kok nggak selama-lamanya seumur hidup?
Ya, karena
tidak mungkin, ma'am.
Tidak mungkin, ma'am. Impossible, ma'am.
Masa sampai tua jadi pelaut, ma'am?
Oh gitu. Jadi pelaut itu hanya untuk batu loncatan kalian aja gitu ya, yang ingin mengeruk uang sebanyak-banyaknya itu ya?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, berat, ma'am.
Emang
After
gitu. After that?
Freelance, ma'am.
No, freelance. Kok freelance? Jangan freelance. Nanti freelance-nya jadi driver ini. Grab.
Kan udah dapat modal dari itu, ma'am, mengeruk
Oh,
uang.
jadi kamu cipherer, uangnya kamu pakai buat beli mobil, terus nanti habis itu kamu jadi driver gitu ya, Sam?
Sapi,
Enggak.
ma'am.
Loh, bener toh? Iya.
Yang enggak, Mem.
Oh iya makanya
Jadi
kan.
buat usaha yang lebih besar.
Nah, businessman ataupun establish a business, family business misalnya. Oh, jadi kalau several itu nggak mungkin untuk for the rest of your life ya, nggak bisa ya.
Ya, ma'am.
Makanya kan memang hey Saiful, apa yang kamu lakukan? Oh ini Adi. Nah ini, nah jadi
Saya kalau misalnya udah dapat uang yang banyak, Mem, saya mau invest, Mem.
ya itu terserah kamu mau invest kayak mau apa kayak ya udah terserah. Ada yang cita-citanya pengen apa namanya I want to make my parents proud and travel to Mecca and so on. Ada yang seperti itu ya. Oke. Yang penting benar-benar kerja keras. Jangan seperti influencer yang seperti saat ini itu yang tiba-tiba jadi sultan, tahu-tahu semuanya akan pakai rompi oranye pada waktunya. Jangan seperti itu ya. Maksudnya itu jangan kalian jadiin role model gitu loh yang apa cepet banget jadi sultan seperti itu. Semuanya akan pakai rompi oranye pada waktunya. Nope ya, itu bukan cita-citanya mahasiswa PIP. Terus Saiful ya. So Saiful, your uncle is a civil also?
Yes,
Hmm.
like me.
Oke, kemudian he is such a rich person. Enggak juga.
Soon, Mem.
Soon. Mungkin. Oke. Oke ya. Tapi kalian harus siap ya with the long distance marriage.
Yes, Mem. Makanya nggak sampai tua, Mem.
Oke. Nanti kapan ketemu sama anak-anaknya ya? Kasihan nanti kalau misalnya sampai tua kalian jadi Bang Toyib ya, kayak seperti itu. Oke. Actually I would like to continue again my explanations about the job interview. Tapi kayaknya Adi sudah mulai gusar ya, sudah mulai nggak tenang nih, pengen copot-copot baju terus ganti sama sarung ya, sama baju koko ya dia.
Baik, Mem.
Ya.
Yes,
Terus Hasan Nudin juga kayaknya sudah nggak kelihatan, ini sudah mengambil air wudhu dan sudah mau melantunkan adzan. Makanya sangat ironi bagi saya kalau tetap melanjutkan penjelasan, sangat tidak akan masuk karena konsentrasi kalian sudah kemana-mana
Bubar,
ya.
Mem.
Saya mau pupuk, Mem.
Tapi tadi Sam sebagai interviewer bagus sekali, saya acungin jempol. Jadi wajahnya sudah sesuai ya, wajahnya seperti ini. Kemudian gesturnya, body language-nya sudah bagus ya. Kemudian emosinya udah dapet Sam ya. Oke, seperti itu. Is there any question before we end the class? Jadi untuk besok Kamis kita tetap melanjutkan pembahasan tentang job interview ya, karena memang kelasnya namanya interview ya, nanti ya yang dibahas kita juga seputar interview, lamaran pekerjaan dan sebagainya. Jadi apa namanya, untuk bahasa Inggrisnya hanya menjadi alat. The English is a means of our learning process. Jadi bahasa Inggrisnya bukan lagi menjadi goal tujuannya, tapi bahasa Inggris justru menjadi alat yang kita gunakan to reach another goal. Seperti itu. And please, siapa ya yang tadi saya minta untuk memimpin?
Saiful,
Doa.
Mem.
Oke, Saiful boleh dipimpin doa untuk menutup perkuliahan pada sore hari ini.
Before we close this class, let's pray begin. Pray over.
Well, thank you very much, Saiful for the leading, and Hasan, Syahrul, Samudra, kemudian Radit, Harisma, Husni, and Kale. Selamat melanjutkan aktivitas. Selamat menunaikan ibadah sholat maghrib, and I hope that we can meet again on the next 2 days on Thursday. Kale, please inform to me if we can have the class on afternoon or in the evening, ya. But I hope it is better if we can have the class in the afternoon like this. Karena nanti malamnya bisa kalian gunakan untuk istirahat ataupun mengerjakan tugas dari mata kuliah lain. Ya, nanti diinformasikan secepatnya ya, Kale, setiap harinya.
Yes, Mem.
Yes.
Mem.
Apa?
Emang ada info untuk online lagi, Mem?
Apanya?
angkatan 57, Mem.
Angkatan 57 ada yang
Dipulangkan lagi, Mem. Untuk online di rumah lagi, Mem.
I don't know about this one because I have no capacity to say this one. Saya tidak punya kapasitas untuk ngomong tentang ini. Tuh spill, please spill dong Miss. Nah, jadi kalau untuk spill bukan ranah saya ya. Jadi nanti diinformasikan ke yang berwenang saja ya. Saya kuliah ditunggu saja. Dan kalian harapannya pengennya pulang apa pengennya di asrama? Kan di asrama juga baru.
Di asrama, Mem.
Nah iya makanya nanti kalau kamu
Ya,
dipulangkan
sudah
pokoknya nggak
pecah,
usah
Mem.
mau. Kamu gondelan aja nanti
Makanya
di
saya takut,
ini.
Mem.
Iya.
Yes, Mem.
Ya, oke, seperti itu ya. Saya harap sih nanti mungkin kalau kepulangan mungkin kalian sesudah Lebaran ya. Tapi saya juga nggak tahu kepastiannya. Seperti itu. Oke, begitu ya Saiful ya. Ditunggu aja informasinya. And see you again on the next 2 days. Have a nice evening. Selamat mandi, selamat cuci muka, ya. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, saya akan ngambil gambar
Sayonara,
dulu.
Miss.
Saya ambil gambar dulu ya.
Thank you,
Saya
Mem.
akan screenshot.
Thank you.
One, I would like to start from Hanatul set.
Gitu loh.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Terus